bounce back. They want to tie this series before sending the finals to Pili Camarines Sur. This is game number 8. The Malyapres and Vivares. Game 2 of the rematch for supremacy. Taguig against Camsur. Samporna clears pass to Subrabas. Across. Fidel Castro drains the 3 to start off the scoring for the Taguig Generals. 7 on the shot clock for the Express. Almario guarded by a much taller Castro. Magpantay with 2 to shoot. And that falls! And magpantay. Shot clock. Castro pull up off the back rim. Rebound by Mayo. Using the glass for 2. And we have a pass to Eugene Malyapre. To the cutting Almario. He loses the leather but recovered by Eugene Malyapre, who scores on that bank shot. Subrabas against Malyapre. Pulls up. One-hander is good. Harvey number 2 of the NBL President's Cup Finals for season 2024. Malyapre on top for 3. Mayo on top with 9 on the shot clock. The attempt by Subrabas too strong. He gets his own miss. And Subrabas lays it in. And Harvey Subrabas over 2 defenders. Still won't work for Jerome Almario. He is still scoreless in this game. Samporna with this drive and he scores. Vivares, but that putback attempt denied by LJ Mayo. Here comes Mike Samporna. Castro, short jumper is good. Near the foul line. Vivares at left against LJ Mayo. He pulls up for this 3. And that's a much needed. Castro uses the long talk screen. He loses the ball. And magpantay with a forward pass to Almario. He is hacked and he scores. And the referee now in the game for the Taguig Generals. 3-guard lineup here for the Generals. Samporna with this drive and he scores. Mike Samporna with this. Tolentino handoff. Ordonez, another 3-point try and this time it goes in. Numbers 12 for Taguig and 6 for Camsur. Earlier, we took that as we first see that layup by Mark Ordonez by the Taguig Generals here in the first quarter. Ayo is wide open. Off to the right. Rebound by Magalong and he puts it in. Stripped by Natividad. And Taguig forcing a turnover. Ordonez to the cutting. Completo and he lays it in. Completo scoring the layup. Taguig up by 10. Second quarter when we come back. Who had that layup to end the first. Another layup try for David Completo. And Completo now with 4 in the game. Stretch emergency pass. Turnover for Camsur. Nice pass inside to Tolentino for 2. Garing wide open for this 3. Short. Rebound by Garing. Outside pass. Monsalve with an open look and he finally drains a 3. Work. Samporna goes to his right. Kick out pass. That's Azares from downtown. Vivares against Samporna. To the cutting Malyapre. He fakes and the short stop is good. Mayo crosses the timeline against Aquino. Samporna. Jumper by Mayo. It drops. And a foul. And a possible flagrant foul. Posting up against Subrabas. Nice pass inside. Another extra pass. And Monsalve scores. Pantay at right against Subrabas. Magpantay nearly losing the ball. 5 on the shot clock. De La Cruz with a floater. It drops and a foul. Off the back rim. Rebound by De La Cruz. Forward pass to Vivares. Magpantay losing the leather but the pass goes to Malyapre. Back. Natividad with the ball. He crosses the timeline. Natividad at the foul line. Pull-up jumper is good. Natividad. Gabiran. Across. Ordonez fakes the three. Uses the Santos screen. And that shot is good. Mark Article 5. Mike Sampurna. LJ Mayo, Lyndon De Rosario, Lancer Can, and JR Galit. Meanwhile, off a timeout. Natividad scores off a turnover. Natividad, and that's our score, 45-32. Taguig in front. Halftime stats and more when we come back. Magpantay. And a steal by Mike Sampurna. Sampurna with the drive. Sampurna with the lay-in. Tip off. Natividad fires this three-pointer off the back rim. Rebound battle won by Mayo. And Mayo puts it in. And Mayo. Back to Natividad. Lontok now. Screen there. Natividad. Jumper is good. Natividad. And now the rebound by Camsur. Here comes Almario against Sampurna. To the left corner. Dumagtoy open for this three. Got it! And Philip Dumagtoy. Rebound by Taguig. Natividad. Crossover move. Fakes. And fires. He scores. Right side, Natividad. Against Dumagtoy. He goes to the right side. Drop pass to Lontok. The left hand is good plus the foul. And up by 17 points. They go to the post. Almario against Ordonez. Almario post up. Almario turns. Up and under move by Jerome Almario. Using another turnover by the Camsur Express. Natividad against Malyapre. Crossover move. He fakes. Another attempt by Natividad. Vivares inside. Another steal forced by Taguig. Forward pass. Sampurna makes the layup. And the defense. Can Camsur answer? Malyapre to Raymart Aquino from the foul line. He hits it. And we have a foul. It's David Completo. And a strip from behind by Almario. And now Vivares is all alone for this one. And finally, Camsur scores in. Ayo, pass to Vivares. Malyapre at right. Wants a screen. He goes to the left side. Malyapre lays it in. What a one. It's Taguig. Only up by 11. Fourth quarter when we come back. Almario. Drives inside. Over Mayo. And Malyapre puts it in. Signs of life for the Camsur Express. Sampurna. Magpantay slips. The drive by Sampurna. He lays it in with the left hand. Tolentino. Natividad. Over now to Tolentino. He attacks. Short jumper trickles in. Garing. Directing traffic here. Almario at the left side against LJ Mayo. Garing. The drive inside. And he shoots over Tolentino. To Garing. He calls play number one. Magpantay. Thinking three. He goes to Vivares. From downtown. He hits the three. And Rafael winning by 8 here with 9 minutes to play in game 2. Vivares at the left side against Sampurna. Vivares pulls up for this long two. Got it! Rafael Vivares. Natividad against Garing. The screen by Lontok. The shot by Natividad. It goes in. Natividad. Shot clock at 10. Magpantay goes to Aquino at the high post against Mike Sampurna. Garing sees an opening. Garing scores! And Garing with a run. Vivares, he has 5 points in this quarter. He takes this three-pointer. He scores that three-pointer! Three, that rattles out. Another rebound for Taguig. Fresh 14 for the Generals. Lontok from the corner, it goes in. Shot, loose ball, picked up by Magpantay. Magpantay, the layup does not go fall. Almario puts it in. And Jerome Almario with that crucial is with Azares. Mayo with 7 on the shot clock. Sampurna with the stripe. Sampurna reverse layup. Taguig! Rebound by Malyapre. Magpantay to the corner. Garing wide open for the three. Got it! Got it! Jamba Garing! Timeouts for Kamsur, but we will check. Samporna. Second shot on the way. No go! Rebound by Magpantay. 5 seconds remaining. Malyapre. And the ball is loose. Vivares desperate three. No go! And that ends the ball game. Taguig escape. Generals escape. And take a 2-0 in this best of 5 final series. It's going to be the Generals up 2-0 in this series after their 80-77 win over the Kamsur Express. And we will take on to the air as wow, what a finish here. What a gallant stand by the Kamsur Express. They trailed by as many as 21 points, 63-42. But Taguig was able to hold on for this victory.